Hey, it's Easy Glaze. Welcome to the channel. Figured I'd make a video on this as well. I already started already. John Deere L130, how to change the oil. There's the oil plug right there, and that's the oil filter. This is what was on the oil plug. It's pretty much like a twist, interlock kind of thing. It's not a nut. Easy to take off. I used a pair of pliers to help me with it. I put the basket right on the deck, and the oil comes right out. For the oil filter, it's easy. Take the oil wrench and just twist that off. Now, I don't have a new oil filter, but to me, this oil filter is pretty new. I changed this pretty much last year, the oil and the filter, but I did not use this mower. So I'm gonna just leave the filter as it is. I'm gonna just change the oil. Yeah, the John Deere L130 requires 1.9 liters or 2 quarts of oil. So I'm gonna let that finish draining out. I'll add the oil up here at the engine bay. There you go. Add the oil right there. All right, I'm gonna let it drain and then I'll add the oil and we'll start it up. All right, pretty much finished draining. Let's put the drain cap back on. So again, it has this twisting interlock. On the side here, you see there's a piece there. All right, twist, and that's on. Let's put the oil in. Okay, so 2 quarts is also 8 cups. So I got a measuring cup, and we're gonna do it like that. Let me get my funnel. By the way, guys, this is what I use. Castro GTX 10W30. That's just what I use, but 10W30 is what you're supposed to use for the small engines. All right, so we're going for 8 cups here. Let me set it down there. So that's 2. I could only do 2 cups at a time. This is 2 cups. Two. This is gonna be 4. Oh, spilling a little. Whoa, why am I spilling so much here? Slow down. All right, we're halfway there. I got 4 cups. Whoa. That's 6. Sorry guys, I gotta go slow. If not, it's gonna spill. All right, I got 6. 1 more measuring cup worth, and we'll have 8 cups. All right. There we go. All right, that's 8 cups. I'm gonna check it with the dipstick, and that would be it. Give me 1 second. Now I like to use my dipstick for my 0 turn because they have those holes. Let me show you the other one. Gotta clean it now too. I got it on the box so it's dirty. But the other one doesn't have the holes, it makes it hard to check the oil. All right. Looks a little low, but once I start the engine, it'll probably cycle. So I'll really check it once I cycle the engine. There you go, that's where it's at. It's not even at the first hole. Makes me wonder a bit. But let me cycle the engine and yeah. But anyway, that's how you change the oil, guys. We got a John Deere L130. That's how you change the oil. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace and blessings. Later.